All right, Julie, how are you feeling today?
I'm good, thank you, Miss Katie.
Excellent. All right, so we've been slowly warming you up today, and you've come to me because you would like to increase your lean muscle and lose a little bit of fat.
That's right.
That's right, and so you are a low risk, so we've gone through all of the paperwork to make sure that you're all right to do exercise.
Yes.
And what we want to do is, we noticed when we did measure your mid-circumference that you're a little bit over the average.
Yes.
So the reason why we want to focus on lowering that fat and increasing your lean muscle is, of course, we know that it dramatically decreases your risk of cardiovascular disease and diabetes.
Yes, that's right.
So with our warm-up today, we're nearly finished our 5 minutes. I'm just going to put up the intensity.
Okay.
There we go. All right, because what we're going to do is we're going to get ourselves all the way from 40 to 70%. So we're nearly done our 5 minutes now.
Yeah.
And you should be starting to feel a little bit puffed and it should be starting to get a little bit hard. We just want to make sure that all of our body is nice and warm and the blood's flowing everywhere so that we decrease any chance of injuring yourselves during this workout today. All right, so nearly done our 5 minutes. If you can go a little bit harder and push through the soles of your feet. That's it. Excellent. Well done. Very good. Actually, drive through your heels more so than your soles of your feet.
Okay, got it.
There we go. That feels good?
Yes.
All right, so there's your 5 minutes. So we'll just top this off.
Okay.
And if you can have a drink of water for me, Julie,
Yes.
we're going to get straight in to our fat loss program.
Wonderful.
All right, have a nice drink. All right, Julie, we are going to start with a superset. So what the superset means is we're going to go straight from the squats to the lunges and then we're going to have this rest. And what we're doing here, we're going to be doing 2 sets of 10. Okay, and we're going at about 80% of what you can do one squat of. Okay, so it's nice and heavy, so we've got to make sure that technique is correct.
Yes.
All right, I'm going to demonstrate the squat for you right now. If you can come on close to me and just be my spotter, so just making sure that you're supporting me rather than the weights if I need you to. All right, bringing it up to the fleshy part of our shoulders. And what we're doing, Julie, for this is we're going to keep our shoulders up high, our backs nice and straight, and we're going to look straight ahead, and we're going to make sure our heels stay on the ground firmly. And it feels like you're about to sit down on a chair. That's the feeling. So our bottom's pushing out and pushing up. Go down as low as you possibly can and then pushing up. And make sure you don't lock your knees up the top of the movement. So if you just watch one more time, my shoulders are up straight. And down we go, making sure those heels stay on the ground and we push through those heels. Now this is a great exercise working your hamstrings, your gluteus maximus.
Quads.
And your quads. Excellent. All right, coming over here and we're going to lift up the bar.
I'm going to do jumping lunges. We'll go straight into jumping lunges?
Yeah, we're going to go straight into jumping lunges. So
Yeah,
what we'll do
first?
What we'll do first is the squats, if that's okay. All right.
Sure.
So bringing up the weight nice and slowly up onto the top of your back. That's it. Perfect. All right, Julie. So we've got 2 sets of 10.
Watch your head, Lincoln.
All right. Let's have a little look at this. All right. Off we go. Awesome work. Keep those heels down. Push through the heels. How does that feel?
Okay, good.
Good. All right. Let's keep going. We're going to go up to 10. And then we're doing 2 sets. Well done. Make sure that bottom's coming out. Very good. Just like you're sitting on a chair. All right, this is great. Nice strong legs. Perfect. All right.
2 more.
There's your sets.
Okay.
And we're going straight quickly into a jump lunge. Move this out of the way. All right. So jumping lunge, we're pushing through the front heel and we're going to jump to the other side. All right, making sure that that back knee is coming down to the ground and pushing up and your back staying neutral and your shoulders up. All right, let's give it a go. This is another great exercise for our quads, hamstrings and glutes. And jump it, that's it. Yep, perfect. 3, 4. Well done. That is looking great. Keep it up. Excellent. Well done. Fantastic. So that's how we've got 3 sets of 10 of those jumping lunges.
Yay.
Have a quick drink of water for me.
Okay.
And we're getting back onto the bike, Julie. We're going to keep on going and we're going to get this heart rate back up again. And let's burn some more fat for you. So jumping on the bike. Excellent. All right, let's get going. We want you to go really nice and fast, okay? That's it. Pushing through your heels. Well done. All right, let's get the intensity up because we want to go up to 90. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how do you feel right now?
An 8.
An 8. All right, so we need to go a bit harder. I might get you to stand up and push through your heels. That's it. Good job. You're doing well. Come on, we're getting up to 90%. And we're doing this for 60 seconds. So I'm just timing you now. Got another 10 seconds. Come on, standing up one more time. Let's get that up to 90%. Well done. And that's 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, quickly have a drink. And coming over here, we're going to go straight in to our bar bent over rows and our dumbbell push-ups. All right, Julie.
Whew. Thanks for that, Mr. Legs.
I know. All right, let me demonstrate for you. We've got our barbells here. And we're doing our bent over row. Now, so with our bent over row, we're going to bend slightly forward. We're going to be working our lats, our trapezius, and our biceps. And you're going to let me know if at any time you have a pain in your back. All right, so we've got our feet shoulder width apart, nice soft knees, bending slightly forward. Okay, and we're bringing up our dumbbells right up to our chest, pushing out. Can you see how my scapula is squeezing together? That's what you want. Squeezing your scapulas together, elbows staying nice and close. All right, here we go, Julie. Okay, we're going straight into these and then we're going to do our dumbbell push-ups. So I might quickly demonstrate the dumbbell push-up because we don't want too much of a break between them. All right. All right, Julie, so we're going to have our dumbbells down to the ground. Try and keep a nice straight back so there's no great big arch in your back. Nice straight back, keep that bottom nice and neutral. And we're coming down and pushing up. Down, pushing up. We're trying to have our hands under our shoulders. Excellent. All right, let's get started on that. Our push-ups, another great one for working our upper body. All right, are we ready? Let's do our bar bent over row. Working on our...
bent over row?
Sorry? Yes.
This is dumbbells.
Oh, that's okay. We're going to use the dumbbells because then we use it for that. Perfect. Okay. All right, excellent. So this is a great exercise working your latissimus dorsi, trapezius, and your biceps. Now this is great. So the scapulas are coming together. You should be feeling that squeeze in your upper back here. If you feel that squeeze, then your technique is very good and it looks great. The elbows are staying nice and close. Well done. All right, 2 sets of 10 of that. So now we're coming down. We're going to do our push-ups with our dumbbells. Well done. All right, just remember you've got that shoulder and wrist integrity. And if you're nice and comfortable on your knees, that's perfect. We don't want to push it too hard. Well done. So keeping that going, we've got 10. So we've got 2 sets of 10. Working those nice strong pectoralis major, anterior deltoids and the triceps. Make sure those hands stay at shoulder width apart and the body moves as a plank. That is fantastic. And those abs are on. Always remember with our exercises today, those abs stay on. Fantastic work, Julie. You feeling good?
Oh yeah.
Excellent. You've got to imagine yourself down to that goal weight that you're looking forward to and fitting into those dresses. This is what's going to get you through this exercise and make sure you work nice and hard, remembering your goal. All right, well done. So 2 sets of 10.
Yes.
Now coming back onto the bike, we're going to get that heart rate right back up to the 90%. So jumping on the bike for me. Well done, Julie. All right, we're doing 60 seconds again, and we're going to go right up to 90%.
Okay, at 90.
Okay, so off we go. Excellent. Push through those heels. Fantastic. Okay, imagine yourself fitting into those dresses you've told me about that you want to fit into. Looking good. You're doing a great job, Julie. Working so hard. All right, hang on a scale of 1 to 10.
9.
9. Fantastic. So let's keep it up there. We're going to keep it up there for the 60 seconds. And we've got 5 sets of this. Excellent. Well done. Good job. Well done, Julie. All right. Slow it down. Have a drink of water. We're going to finish with some abdominal work. Okay, so have a drink of water and then come on down to the ground. We've done our 5 sets of 60 seconds. Back onto the bike. All right, Julie. So, for this one, we have got a plank and a crunch. I'm going to quickly demonstrate both of them for you. Now, of course, these exercises are great for our transverse abdominal, our rectus abdominal, external obliques, and internal obliques. So all of that tummy area that you've told me you want to get nice and strong. All right, while we're doing this exercise, you've told me that your back's a little bit weak, so I want you to have your legs up in the air to make sure that that back stays nice and firmly on the ground when you do your crunch. And when you're doing your crunch, I want you to make sure that you're pulling through your abs and you're not pulling your neck. Okay, so your neck should not be the thing that you're pulling up. Your abs are the one that does all the work. So it helps to stare at the ceiling. And we're squeezing up, up. Breathe out on the way up. All right, there's your crunches. And now your plank. I'll quickly demonstrate for you is we've got our elbows under our shoulders and we're going to bring up our body onto our toes and making sure that your abs are on this whole entire time and your bottom squeezed in tight so your body is as one big plank, staying nice and straight. All right, Julie, come on down. Let's start with the plank. And we're going to just use your body weight today. We're doing 3 sets of max. So what that means is we're going to hold it for as long as we can. All right, so elbows down on the ground. Make sure they're under your shoulders. Bottom stays squeezed in tight. Body as one. All right, come on, Julie. You can hold it. This is working all of your rectus abdominal, your obliques, all of your midsection, which is great for our posture. Fantastic. Holding it there for as long as we can. Come on, Julie. You can do it. Let's hold a little bit longer. All right, that's excellent, well done. Okay, Julie, we're going to do 3 sets of that and a 15-second break. And now we're going to finish with some crunches before our warm down. So on your back for me, and just as I demonstrated, we're going to have our legs up in the air to keep that lower back of yours firmly on the ground. And let's go with your crunches. Excellent, we're going to do 8 crunches, 3 sets of 8. So that's 3, 4, 5, excellent, 6, 7, 8, and hold it there. Fantastic. You are doing so well. So that's 3 sets of that. All right, Julie, come on up to the bike. We're going to do our cool down now. Okay, so on the bike, taking it nice, slowly reducing our heart rate, slowly reducing our blood pressure, getting us back down to about 40%. All right, how's your body feeling? Any pain anywhere?
No, it was great, thank you.
Oh, good. And did you feel like you were worked hard enough today?
Yes, feeling strong now.
Excellent. And was there any exercises in particular that you really liked or you disliked, just so I can keep a note for other programming?
Jumping lunges, heard a bit today.
They heard a bit today.
Yesterday's workout, but all good.
All right, well maybe in the future let me know that if you've done a big workout on your legs the day before and I can make sure maybe we might just do stationary lunges rather than the jump in the future, but thanks for letting me know. I'm so glad you're feeling good and you really have done a great job today. You've worked hard.
Thank you.
Absolutely wonderful. And just finishing off now, how do you feel on a scale of 1 to 10?
Oh, I'm at 10.
Oh,
For
fantastic.
sure.
That's excellent. Well done. So it looks like we're down to our 40%, our 5-minute warm down. Thank you so much, Julie.
Thank you.
Make sure you have a great big drink of water
Excellent.
after our exercise today.
Yes.
Thanks,
Wonderful.
Julie.
Thank you.